Dave Roberts, Thomas, nghanol cae. Thomas yn ei chodi hi. Tuag at Mark Williams. Williams! Ergyd ffyrnig y fanna gan Williams. Prif sgoriwr Llandudno ar gyfer y ddau dymor diwetha. Mae o dal i chwilio am ei gol gynta'r tymor hwn. Thomas yn ei chodi hi tuag at Williams. Mae'n curo'r trap can sefyll yn hawdd, ond i Ergyd yn wallus. Tafle di draed Danny Hughes. Hughes ar ei droed de, fewn i'r cwrs Cosby. At Jones. Diggs! Diggs di sgorio! Tom Diggs, capten Llandudno, di sgorio i gol gyngrau'r gyntar i oed. Hughes ar ei droed de. O'r bel yn gwiro i ffwrdd o Craig Williams, a dyna lle mae Diggs. Dechrau perffaith i reolwr dros dro Alex Gibson. Drenewydd yn colli'r bel. Hart di dwyni. Mae'n bras gamu lawr yr ochr chwith. Hart yn croesi fan i'r cwrs Cosby. Williams! Mae Williams wedi sgorio. Oedd o di bygwth yn gyngharach. A ddaru o ddim neud camgymeriad efo'r cynnig hwn. 2 gol mewn munud i Llandudno. A mae wedi colli hwyliau pawb yma ar barc maes di. Crysio yng nghanol cae. Crysio yn osgoi tacl Toby Jones. Crysio, mae hwnna'n dacl ddrwg o fanna gan Crysio. Mae di neidio fewn i honna a di chwaraewyr Llandudno ddim yn hapus. Mae ddipyn o wthio mynd ymlaen y fama. Gan i weld i. Crysio, mae ddwy droed i prof llawr. A mae'n glir i weld y fanna pam fod y dyfarnwr wedi dangos y cerdyn coch iddo fo. Pethau mynd o ddrwg i waith i'r Drenewydd, mae nhw lawr i 10 dyn. Murphy, tuag at Reid. Na'n agos gen yr eilydd. Chris Hughes yn gwybod. Dylsa Jamie Reid wedi wneud yn well efo hwnna. Reid efo digon amser, ond yn penio pasio'r postyn. Williams o'r ochr chwith. Mae hwnna'n gefn y rhwyd. A dwi bron yn sicr bod hwnna wedi dod i ffwrdd am ddiffynwr Llandudno. Ond mae Drenewydd yn ôl yn y gêm. Williams yn ei chroesi fewn i'r cwrt. A Tom Diggs yn ei gwirio i fewn i'w gol i hun.
Chris, great 3 points in difficult conditions today.
Yeah, it's been a tough week for the lads. Obviously, the loss of Alan last week from the club, really popular guy, not just at the club but in Welsh football. He's done great things for the club. So it's been a tough week for the lads, but myself and Craig and the staff have all worked hard, and we were lucky to have Alex with us today, who was a great help. Good introduction to the Welsh football for him, and a good 3 points. The lads battled really well today, and credit to Newtown, they certainly made a game of it in the second half. But I think we just shaded it today, I think, and probably deserved those points.
We knew there was going to be a reaction from them, obviously, with the changes they've had here this week. We knew the first 15 minutes, 20 minutes they were going to start well because of what's happened. I thought we got through that part, and then we've conceded a goal and then we conceded another one. And they haven't had to work massively hard for it, which is disappointing. So that's the worry but like I said, it was a bit sluggish because of the week we had, and obviously players playing out of position. But I thought we grew into the game as the game went on. But we went down to 10 men, and to be fair to the players, they showed a good attitude. Then they kept going and going. We nicked the goal back, and we put some balls in the box. As you said, we've had a couple of chances, and it hasn't quite fallen for us. And that's been the story as well. We haven't had things fall for us either, which is frustrating.
Looking at Alex's CV, he's done it at a highest level. What can he bring to Llandudno now?
Well, he's got great experience, different ideas. He's certainly a character as well in the dressing room, which helps. It's all part of the makeup of him, really. The stuff that he'll obviously get used to the Welsh League as we go on. If whatever happens down the road, it's a good introduction for him. But football's football, whatever country you're in, really, and he certainly knows that. So, I'm sure he enjoyed today. Let's put it that way.